Oh, what? That was a shit start. Now where should I put this? Let's put this here. Spread out! Spread out! Look! I have a camera on my head. Isn't that wonderful? Smile! Smile, Arthur!
Video camera?
Yeah, it's filming right now.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Alright. Right, come on. Let's get some action. Right, where are they? Where are they? Up! 12 o'clock! Right, go, go, go! How's that? He's going L85 just right by. Oh.
Yeah, they got about 2 or 3 of them by the church about
Straight right side. Alright, there's Chris.
all the way down at the other end.
We're gonna have to. We need to dominate. We need to dominate this side, right?
What is
Wait.
One by the
Watch
left
out, watch
side,
out.
by the 2 barricades.
Right, this. Fucking hell. Wait. No, we need to spread out. Hey, someone lie there. Huh? Yeah, run, quick. Yeah. Stay there and just keep shooting. Alright. Change mags. Right, there's one directly in the front, he's proning.
Mag change!
Alright. Back in.
Back up. Great timing.
I need to fix this hop up. Quick, move up. Oh wait, shoot. Woo. The hop up is a bit mess on this one, because my BBs are all flying everywhere.
Ooh, that's my head! Fuck off!
Rope! 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, is that bad that my pistol outranges my rifle?
Alright, we need to push up on this side. Alright, ready, get set, go. Whoa! Hey! To the left! Left, behind the green weird car. Right. Hey, yo, shoot the guys ahead of us. Directly 12 o'clock. No, the other ones. Directly in front of me. God. Woo. Sam, there's right in front of me. There's several. Alright, bolt action, man. Chris, right, on my right, directly in front of me, I'm in the red box. Andrew. Yeah. 12 o'clock. And also Chris, to your left, behind the aqua green. Whoa, Chris, left, your left. No, further left. Like literally. No, 90 degrees to your left, there's a man. Sam, are you still alive? Ah, hit! Straight in the arm. Hit! What the hell are you guys all bunched back here?
I have no idea where
They're right in front of you!
I'm not going to get anybody.
Hit in the arm. See that? Oh dear.
That happened to me last time, remember?
I'll get my AEG out, but I think we've done fine as well. Now to see if I recorded enough of this.
That one guy we were going for kept on me. Yeah. The guy behind me, he was the tail. I mean, he was the tail.